Hello everyone, myself Vikrant Chandan Shive. Today we are discussing a topic on structure of A forms of DNA. A forms of DNA. At the previous lectures we discussed about B form DNA. So A form DNA. The discovery of A form DNA is done by Rosalind Franklin. According to her, if a B form DNA undergoes to dehydration process, it will convert it A form DNA. A form DNA present in viruses, that is double-stranded RNA viruses. A form DNA is a double-stranded right-handed helix which have both 5' and 3' direction. One strand is moving from 5' to 3' direction and another strand is moving from 3' to 5' direction. Both strands are anti-parallel to each other. The nucleotide bases, that is ATGC, A is always base pairs with T by the double bond and G is always base pairs with C by means of triple bond. Let us see the structure of these forms of DNA. See here, this is A form DNA, I show in red color, and this is B form DNA, I will show in yellow color. Okay, both strands, that is the one, this one strand, that is this one is may be considered as the 3' strands, okay, and another is moving from this, it is a 5' strands, okay, both strands, that is likewise the other is also 5' and this one is 3'. The both strands are anti-parallel to each other by means of moving from opposite directions, okay. Next, the base nucleotide, the bases, that is A is always base pair with the T by means of double bond, and where G is always base pair with C by means of triple bond, okay. There is a helical structures where it forms some grooves, that is, see here, a narrow and depth grooves is called as major groove, whereas a small grooves is present forms due to helix. This is called as minor groove, okay. So the DNA have per turn it contain, per turn of the helix contain 11 base pair, 11 base pair per turn helix, okay. As we see, the diameter is also much more larger than as compared to these B forms of DNA. A forms DNA have much more larger diameter, okay, as compared to B forms of DNA. Apart from these, the structure, that is it forms per turn helix, it is 28.2 angstroms, where the distance between two nucleotide is 2.56 angstroms, okay. So let us moving to our presentation. Just we have discuss the diagrams. Next, this DNA is a shorter as compared to B form. A form DNAs always have major grooves and minor grooves. Major grooves is more depth and narrow, while minor grooves is a wide. A form DNA have per turn of helix is 11 base pairs. The per turn helical length, that is pitch, is 28.2 angstrom. The diameter of DNA is 23 angstroms. A form DNA and B form DNA changes due to environmental condition. It will in bacteria, according to some extents, the bacteria may have capacity that leads to convert due to environmental stresses. It will convert A to B or B to A. In viruses, the packaging of A form DNA is very easy, so that they maintain such a forms of DNA. Okay, and this is the references. Thank you.